Hey guys, welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can import the bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox in Windows 10. Now basically doing this feature from importing bookmarks from Chrome is just switching over if you want them to be on there. It gives the ability for sites that you most frequently open and makes it quick and it's a faster route for typing in websites. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that we have some shirts that are for sale. If you want to help us out, that will be great. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's all up to you. The cool thing about these is that some of these shirts may have a verified charity contributions. So basically some of the percentage of what you purchase on this shirt, it will go to that contributions of what's in this list. But it's up to you. But let's go ahead and get started. So to do this, it's very simple. For the first option, I'm going to show you a couple options to how to do this. First one, open up Firefox. And when you get up here, you're going to go to the little selections right here on the left. Not the first one, right here. And you're going to select Bookmarks. And then you'll then select Show All Bookmarks. And what you're going to do is on here, it says the selection says import and backup. Go ahead and select it and then select import data from another browser. You will see different browsers that are selected. We have the Microsoft Edge, the Internet Explorer, but what we're looking for is Chrome. You have the option if you want to have all their cookies, their history and passwords, or just their bookmarks, or if you only want something specific from there. I'm just going to go ahead and leave the settings as they are and press next. Now it seems that we have the favorites that have been added from Google Chrome, and you see it's been added up here too. Now if you didn't want to, an example, most of the times we have this option and it doesn't show the little bar right here, the toolbar. So how to get to there, it's very simple. You would come to this top, select that, and you'll go to Bookmarks Tools, and I'll say View Bookmarks Toolbar, and it makes it easier for you just to have your selections. Now it seems that now we have a folder that has from Google Chrome. So yes, you do have them added, but it kind of looks pain of having them in a folder. So if you want to make this a little bit easier, we're just going to go ahead and reopen up all bookmarks. And you go to Bookmarks Toolbar, and you see we have the folder. I'm actually going to select all of these and drag them onto the Bookmarks Toolbar, and I can delete this folder. So now it looks a lot easier by having the new bookmarks that have been added. And that's basically how you have it. Again, it's if you don't want to have the toolbar, it's fine. You can remove the toolbar if you don't want to show it, so it's gone. And let me go ahead and remove these bookmarks again. That can show you how to import the other ones. Alright, so the second option is going to be a little bit different. The first thing you do is first to open up your Chrome, if you have it from there. And what you're going to do is going to export the Google Chrome bookmarks as a HTML file. So to do this, it's a little pretty simple. The first thing you do is basically go to the top right. And once you get there, you'll see a selection that says bookmarks. And then from there, we'll have the selection of having Bookmarks Manager. Go ahead and select it. On this top right, once it opens, you'll have an option that says Export Bookmarks. Go ahead and export them. I'm just going to go ahead and save that file here on desktop to make this a lot easier. And I'm going to go ahead and save that file. Once you have it saved, we're going to go ahead and X out the Chrome. See, there's a little file that's added. And what we're going to do now is going to import that. So you open up Firefox, And you're gonna basically come to this selections. Basically, it's a library list, and you're going to go to bookmarks, and you're gonna go to show all bookmarks again to make it easier. From there, you're going to select the basically import and back up, and from there you're going to select the import bookmarks from HTML. Now you would select where you have it saved. I have mine saved on desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and select it. So it seems that it's been imported. Let's see where it went to. And it came to this folder right here from bookmarks menu called the bookmarks bar. So let me go ahead and just check to be sure how it looks if we enable the toolbar. The toolbar. So right now it doesn't show anything. So we're gonna go ahead and organize this so you'll be able to see it. If we go to bookmarks, it knows that we have the recent ones. So let's see if we can change that you want to make it easy to see them. When we search the search bar, it'll probably come out instantly, so we have the selections here from Firefox and stuff. But we want it to be able to see it up here. So let's go ahead and go back to bookmark settings. And we're going to go to show all bookmarks. And you saw that it was hidden underneath this bookmarks bar. We're going to go ahead and select all of them that we have. And we're going to go ahead and drag it to the toolbar. So here we have it. It makes it a lot easier. Now you can create other options like creating folders. You can add new bookmarks. It's other stuff you can do. Basically, we do not need that bookmarks bar anymore because we just basically relocated. But that's basically it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on the next video.